welcome to AER Int channel, and welcome back to Drawing course. In this lecture, we're gonna show how we can add exploded view in drawing sheet. So here we have this assembly, and if we go here to Configuration Manager, here we have a default configuration. If we open this, here we have two exploded views. Double click on the view 1 and double click here on the view 2, like this. So now let's double click on the view 2 and let's create a new drawing sheet. Let's go with a landscape and OK. So first, let's go with a front view. Let's insert the front view here, like this. Let's go with a top view, and let's go with isometric view, like this. Let's click OK. Let's drag this isometric view here. And now from this isometric view, we want to create exploded view. So we can just click on this view. We can go here, Reference Configuration. We have a default. And here we have an option, Show in Exploded or Model Break State. So we can check this. And here we have two exploded views, Exploded View 1 and Exploded View 2. Let's go with 1. And now we can see here that we have Exploded View 1. If we choose here, Exploded View 2, then here we have Exploded View 2. Now let's click OK. So this is Exploded View 2. As well, we can go here to View Palette. Down here we have Isometric Exploded. So let's insert this one here, like this. And now here we have Exploded View 1 and Exploded View 2. So those are the two ways how we can insert exploded view in drawing sheet. The various ways, we can click on the view and we can go here and we can choose here Show in Exploded View, or we can go to View Palette and we can insert Isometric Exploded View here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.